Pine nuts. These small cream-colored seeds come from pine cones. Don't let their size fool you. Pine nuts are packed with goodness. They have a delicate, buttery flavor. People around the world enjoy eating pine nuts. You can eat pine nuts raw or roasted. They add a unique flavor and texture to dishes. Pine nuts are a popular ingredient in Mediterranean and Asian cuisine. Let's explore why this tiny seed is a nutritional superstar. Pine nuts are full of nutrients. They are an excellent source of healthy fats. These good fats can lower bad cholesterol. Pine nuts also have protein and fiber. These tiny seeds are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin E, vitamin K, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients are important for many bodily functions. The nutrients in pine nuts offer many health benefits. The healthy fats in pine nuts are good for your heart. They can help lower the risk of heart disease. Pine nuts can also help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in pine nuts aids digestion. Pine nuts can make you feel full and satisfied after eating. This can help with weight management. The vitamins and minerals in pine nuts support overall health and well-being. It's easy to include pine nuts in your diet. Sprinkle pine nuts on salads for a satisfying crunch. Add them to your trail mix for a healthy snack. Pine nuts are a delicious addition to pesto sauce. You can also use them in baking. Try adding pine nuts to cookies, muffins, or bread. Enjoy the flavor and health benefits of this superfood.